work as an HR manager with Concentric department. We work majorly into Light Ray and Alfresco framework. I have joined recently 2.5 months back, the Concentric team. I have served multiple other organizations. I hold 9+ years of work experience in HR industry. As in solution tool, if I talk about PMAPs, the reason we opted for PMAPs was majorly this pandemic, where we all are working from home and we cannot call people to sites considering the safety of employees and students, everyone. So considering that, we opted this software. We thought that better we go for a tool which will help us for less contact, and with less contact, we are able to get results. We did compare multiple softwares at that time, but yes, after comparison, we thought that this is at one click. This is a one-click solution. Like we just share a link to students or candidates, and they submit the assignment, and then it's easy to evaluate them. Because when we do evaluation with multiple, when there are multiple evaluators also involved, it is difficult for even HR or the person to summarize the entire result and understand what is the top result, who are the top 5 people who have performed. Specifically, this kind of software has helped us hiring the freshers batch. Because we were doing campus hiring, we couldn't manage to go to campus for campus hiring. So this helped us a lot in doing the technical assessment of campus students. It helped a lot because if there are multiple evaluators for a single kind of profile, and if there are 50-60 batch of students who are attending the assessment test, and there are 4-6 evaluators, the common Excel sheet help us to download and process to the evaluators. See, we were working on targets to hire a number of people. So when we talk about recruitment is about number of hirings we are doing, on time hiring with quality, right? So this software does help in providing on time evaluation. At a time, multiple people can attend and submit their assessment. I don't have to give single link to each and every individual and ask them to submit. At a go or in a particular time frame, I can share that link and I can get the result in that limited time frame, and that actually minimizes the time, and it helps in achieving the number easily as compared to if we are doing it on pen and paper or anything, right? So assessment and result comes out easily. So yes, we achieved the number of students we were looking for. So I don't think there is any tricky page or any tricky icon that I don't understand, or any uh, like student or a person who is attending the test has ever asked me, ma'am, what is the next step? How to go about it? Where to click? Where to sign in? They just enter their name and then they can start the evaluation. So no one has ever questioned. So far, I think it is pretty much user friendly and it is easy to access, even the person who is submitting the test and to those who are evaluating and checking the papers. So for your example, I have never taken the training from your team, like how I will be downloading the assessment or anything. But when I started sharing the links with freshers, I was easily able to manage and check the results. So that is the user friendliness of the software, that I didn't have to contact either Rahul or anyone from your team to understand, okay, I'm stuck here. how to download results. Okay, so that was a good thing. So I don't think there is anything related to user friendliness of that software. So far, I am not facing any challenge.